Hey everyone, welcome to another Busy Bee recipe. Today we are doing chopped Thai chicken salad. It is flavorful, it is delicious, it will feed an army. If this sounds like something you want to give a shot to, stick around. First thing you guys need is the chicken, and I'm using a Costco rotisserie chicken. Got this whole thing for $5, but if you don't have that, you could also get just a chicken breast, put it in a Instapot, put it on your stove, put it on the grill, and we're just gonna cook those up so that we have to just shred it. So I'm gonna get to the business of shredding this. $5 and like 4 minutes to sort of tear this all apart, and it is delicious. We took the skin off, and it's gonna be healthy, easy, and cheap. That is a nice hack for us busy teachers. First, we need 3 to 4 cups of the shredded chicken we just did. So there's 1, 2, 3. I think that's enough. I'm gonna leave it at that. 3 to 4 cups cabbage. All right, we got the cabbage done, and now on to our carrots. Now we're gonna shred these carrots. I use my box grater. I use the big sort of setting, and I put it on a plate so it's really easy just to drop in. All right, let's speed this up. Whoa, look at all that. Now we're just gonna drop this in. Next part of the recipe is we need 1 to 2 cups of shredded green papaya, but that's not easy to get. It's a traditional staple in a lot of Thai dishes. It is the same as a regular papaya, except it's just not ripened yet. And it has this sour flavor, which is really important. So if you can't get that, some substitutes you can use is mango, or I use grated green apple, and it really does a similar job. So these I think you can find everywhere. So let's use these today. All right guys, we're gonna add lime at the end, but we're gonna add a little now to keep that apple from browning. So we're gonna squeeze a little lime juice right over the top of that, and then we're gonna mix that in a little bit. Now we need a ½ cup of green onions. We're just gonna slice these thinly, just the stalks here. We're just gonna dump that right in the bowl. Now the recipe calls for 3 to 4 serrano peppers. You obviously can choose your heat level, so decide how much of these you want to slice up, but you're gonna just dice them really small, and it's gonna be delicious. Remember, you do have a lot of salad there, so I'm gonna go with 2. All right, one more step for the salad, and then we're all done with the main salad. That is a cup of chopped cilantro. So let's get down to the business of chopping that. Boom. Now we're just gonna toss this salad and finish it off with a little salt and pepper. That's it for the main salad. Now, what does any good salad need? You need some dressing. So I'm gonna also teach you, as a little bonus recipe here, my favorite Thai peanut sauce that you can use over this, use as a dipping sauce in that 10-minute app that I showed you. Also, you could use it all over the place. It's so delicious. So let's figure out our Thai peanut sauce now. All right guys, I hope you are sticking with me. I know you might feel like this is long, but you will be able to get all of this done in that half-hour time period, and it makes a ton. All we're gonna do is use these ingredients in the blender, add a little bit of water to sort of get that right consistency. So we have soy sauce, we have sriracha, we have rice vinegar, and we have sesame oil, we have peanut butter, 1 thing of garlic, and we have some ginger. You don't need this much. We're just gonna use like a little bit of thumb size, and that's it. So let's do it. It smells super delicious, but what we want to do is now add a little bit of water to sort of thin it out a wee bit. So I poured about half of a quarter cup, so 1/8 of a cup. Woo! Yay math. I'm gonna add a little more. Now we're up to a quarter cup. Oh, I love it. Another trick I like when I make these kind of sauces is I picked up on Amazon some of these bottles. Awesome, these little squeeze bottles. I think it was like $5. Don't need it, but I just wanted to share that tip. All right guys, we did it. We made the chopped Thai chicken salad. Got a little bonus recipe in there with the peanut sauce. Give both a shot. It's super good, super good, and I think you're gonna love it. As always, I am truly honored that you are inviting me into your space and that hopefully maybe we're cooking together. I would love that, because the Hive Summit is about coming together, building fellowship, and finding some joy in all of that. And I think cooking is a great way to do it. I think it's awesome that you guys are trying to level up your learning with your profession. And I think it would be awesome if you also leveled up a little learning and tried a little cooking. If you do, please share that out. I'd love to connect and hear. And as always, if you could like and subscribe to the video, that super helps. If you want to post a comment down below, love to hear from you guys. All right, that's all I have for you today. Now I gotta enjoy this good salad. Take care, guys.